Valve bags, while being efficient, can sometimes present challenges in their operation. Occasionally, a bag may fail to open properly, becoming stuck or misaligned, leading to inadvertent filling. This occurrence, though infrequent, can lead to downtime, increased cleaning effort, and product losses. At QUAT²RO, we understand the importance of reliability and efficiency in your operations. That's why we've developed a cutting-edge solution based on artificial intelligence to address this issue. This is where our new digital product, QUAT²RO Valve Check, powered by artificial intelligence, comes into play. This innovative product monitors the valve opening process in real time, analyzing various factors to determine whether the bag is positioned correctly for seamless filling onto the spout. With QUAT²RO Valve Check, you can trust that your valve bag handling process is optimized for maximum efficiency and reliability. Say goodbye to unexpected mishaps and hello to smoother operations with QUAT²RO Valve Check.